how can you use this? What are some clear examples? So those are the first one, okay? Example one, we handle your existing previous clients, okay? I think they're both really powerful, but this one I think is the cleanest to me. And I think this is useful for every roofing company, no matter who you are, all right? So you already have information of your past clients, okay? So ultimately, we will contact your past clients and make sure that they're given quality and expedited services, okay? Basically, you either tell us which ones you want us to go to, or you give us the list. We'll parse that information with the storms, figure out which ones are potentially impacted, let you know, and you can go down that list and say, I want you to contact this guy, this guy, this guy, this guy, this guy, right? Okay, both of those are totally fine, but this will allow you to focus your attention on generating new business, okay? And the reason why is because in these storms, the first person who contacts someone is usually the ones who ends up getting the business, all right? And so when you're not having to go through your own list and contact and go out and re-inspecting, et cetera, you can instead have us do that essentially busy work, right? And you can go out there and do your own canvassing, go to networking groups, whatever you got to do to generate new business outside of the ones that we're taking care of. And since these customers have already worked with you in the past, and we're going to give them really good service, et cetera, they'll be much more likely to be patient compared to people who don't know you, right? So if we go out there, generate the RoofHawk report, do the drone flights, et cetera, and they know that they are being taken care of by you, they're more willing to be patient while you go out there and essentially canvas before those storm chasers and other guys get to that market and start really just saturating it. So, and then it's the other cool thing here as well is you're just paying us a flat rate, right? We don't get commission. And if these are people that you already know, you don't have to actually have a sales team out there, et cetera, you can close it yourself, which means ultimately it's more money in your pocket. So you don't compensate us except for the flat rate. We don't care about commission. We don't care about any sort of like post-installation revenue. We simply want that initial flat payment and then we go away. So that I think makes a ton of sense. And this is where I think is going to be very valuable to every roofing company, no matter what. Now, the second example is more targeted for ones who actually have a canvassing team and do canvassing. And this is what it's going to look like. So basically, we tag along behind your canvas team, all right? And we actually have already done this and it did work pretty damn well, okay? So basically what happens in this situation is your team goes out there and knocks on doors and gets permission to fly, okay? They don't have to be doing the inspection part of it. All they have to do is have the gall to go up there, knock on those doors, get that permission, and then go to the next one. And then our team will follow behind you and fly those roofs so that the door knockers can continue to knock more doors and get more permission, all right? Now, you're only going to get on the roofs of those who are worth your time, and you're going to know who's worth your time because you already have the drone photos, you already have the RoofHawk report, you already have all that information to make the decision on who you're going to filter out or how you're going to prioritize, et cetera. So it allows you to knock on a lot more doors, and just like before, we're a flat rate. So again, more money in your pocket because we're not taking a piece of the revenue on the back end, right? So, and this is the math, and this is what I just think it makes a ton of sense. So for the math, 50 inspections is what we're looking for per market, and that's at $200 each, $100 for the pre-book, $100 for activation. Now, obviously, if you do it in the next 2 days, you can get for $60 pre-book and $100 activation. But the point is, you're looking at around $10,000 for 50 more inspections. And remember, these inspections are happening when you actually are needing them the most. This is critical game time, right? And you can look at your close rate and tell me that if you had an extra 50 more inspections in a hail impacted area that just came through, et cetera, and you tell me you can't generate an additional $10,000 from 50 more inspections, like, I don't know. I think this math is phenomenal. And honestly, I think that even though we've increased it from 160 to 200 total, I still think we are way too cheap and I'm expecting it to go up, but the market's going to dictate and we'll see how things go. But ultimately though, I mean, I think 10,000 for 50 more inspections is a damn good deal. And I've seen roofing companies blow money on a lot stupider shit than this. So here you go. What are the next steps, right? So basically there's two things here. Either you're ready to sign up or you're not convinced. If you're ready to sign up, click on the link in the description and fill out the form. Okay, that's really it. We'll contact you. We'll get you taken care of. We'll also go through and find out what areas still have availability near you. And right now, we do have pretty good availability. I know Dallas is almost filled up. However, most of our other markets have a lot of availability. We've only released this about 72 hours ago. So this is still a very new public release. And we already have Dallas almost full. So goes to show on what this process is looking like. And if you're still not convinced, there's a frequently asked question video coming soon. And if it's released, it will be placed into this little box I put right there. The video of the Falcon Care is going to go there right now. So if you have any questions, like always, let me know. Fill something out in the comments, but I'm looking forward to working with you guys.